Hello everyone, I'm Shweta and I'm a postgraduate. I have done my bachelor's and master's in applied psychology. In this video, I will discuss a psychology topic which is branches of psychology. Sixth is branches of psychology. In this, we will discuss 11 branches of psychology. First, cognitive psychology. Second, biological psychology and neuropsychology. Third, developmental psychology. Fourth, social psychology. Fifth, cultural psychology. Sixth, environmental psychology. Seventh, health psychology. Eighth, clinical and counseling psychology. Ninth, industrial and organizational psychology. 10th, educational psychology. 11th, sports psychology, and other emerging branches of psychology. First is cognitive psychology. In this, the focus is on mental processes and cognitive processes. Mental processes are acquisition, that is learning, storage, that is retention, manipulation, etc. Cognitive processes are attention, perception, memory, reasoning, problem solving, decision making, and language. Second is biological psychology. This branch focuses on the relationship between behavior and physical system like brain, nervous system, immune system, genetics, etc. In biological psychology, there is an emerging branch called neuropsychology, which focuses on the relationship of brain and nervous system with psychological processes. Third is developmental psychology. This focuses on social, physical, and psychological changes in people in every stage of their life, like child and adolescence development, adult development, and aging. Fourth is social psychology. This focuses on how the social environment affects a person and how people think in the social setting and how this thinking of the people influence each others. Topics studied in this branch is attitude, conformity and obedience to authority, interpersonal attraction, helpful behavior, that is prosocial behavior, prejudice, aggression, social motivation, intergroup relationships, etc. Fifth is cross-cultural and cultural psychology. This focuses on the role of culture to understand the behavior, thought, and emotions of a human being. Sixth is environmental psychology, which studies the interaction of physical factors and physical arrangements with human being. Physical factors are temperature, humidity, pollution, natural disaster, and physical arrangement can be workplace, emotional state, interpersonal relationship, etc. Seventh is health psychology. Health psychology focuses on the role of psychological factors like stress and anxiety on the development of physical illness, prevention of physical illness, and treatment of physical illness. Eighth is clinical and counseling psychology. This includes dealing with causes, treating, and preventing different psychological disorders like clinical depression, anxiety disorder, eating disorders, etc. Clinical and counseling psychology are different fields. And also, there is a field called psychiatry, which is also different from clinical and counseling psychology. Ninth is industrial organizational psychology. This field deals with workplace behavior of workers and organization. Industrial organizational psychologists work for training the employees, improving the work conditions, and developing selecting criteria for employees. 10th is educational psychology. It studies that how can people of all age learn, and the educational psychologists help to develop instructional methods and materials to train people in educational and work settings. A relevant field in educational psychology is school psychology, which focuses on designing the programs to increase or promote intelligence, social, and emotional development in children, including those with special needs. 11th is sports psychology. In this, psychological principles and phenomena are used to improve the sports performance of the players by enhancing or encouraging their motivation. Last is other emerging branches of psychology. Because psychology is an emerging field, so development in psychology is an ongoing process. Other branches of psychology are aviation psychology, space psychology, military psychology, forensic psychology, rural psychology, engineering psychology, managerial psychology, community psychology, psychology of women, political psychology, media psychology, etc. Thank you. For any queries, you can mail me on this email ID. For more information, follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Links are given in the description box below. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like, share and comment. Bye bye.